Ever opened Outlook and panicked because your sent items folder simply vanished? Let's dive straight into fixing that missing sent items folder in Outlook. The most common culprit is a simple setting that might have been accidentally toggled. First, open your Outlook application, then navigate to the File menu in the top left corner. From the File menu, select Options. This will open the Outlook Options window. On the left-hand side of this window, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Mail. Now, in the Mail options, scroll down until you find the section related to saving messages. Look for a checkbox that says Save Messages in Sent Items folder for IMAP accounts or a similar wording depending on your Outlook version and account type. Make sure this box is checked. If it's unchecked, simply click on it to check it. This often resolves the issue immediately. After checking the box, click Apply and then OK to close the Options window. Now, take a look at your folder list. Your Sent Items folder should be back. If the folder is still missing, it might be hidden. Right-click on your Inbox folder in the folder pane. From the context menu that appears, look for an option like Show All Folders or Folder Options to reveal any hidden folders. Select that option. You might need to expand your Mail account or other parent folders to locate it. Once found, it should appear in your folder list. If these steps didn't bring back your Sent Items folder, it's possible there's a more complex configuration issue with your Outlook profile or the account type itself. In such cases, consider repairing your Outlook profile or creating a new one. However, for most users, checking the saving options and ensuring no folders are hidden will do the trick. Happy emailing!